Hey everyone! Welcome to AI Cashflow Lab, where we help you turn AI into serious cash. Today, I'm excited to introduce you to our brand new ebook, How to Create, Deploy, and Launch a $50,000 per month revenue-generating AI-powered fitness app. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast, entrepreneur, or tech beginner, this ebook will show you how to build your own app without any coding experience. Let's dive in and see what's inside. First, you'll learn how to use a free and beginner-friendly platform to design your app. No complicated coding. Just drag, drop, and create. With step-by-step tutorials, you'll build a user-friendly interface that's perfect for fitness lovers. Add features like workout plans, progress tracking, and more, all powered by AI. Next, we'll show you how to integrate AI features into your app. Imagine offering personalized workout plans, real-time feedback, and even a chatbot to motivate your users. With free AI tools like ChatGPT and Pictory, you can make your app smarter and more engaging, without spending a dime. Once your app is ready, we'll guide you through testing and publishing. Learn how to test your app on real devices and publish it on the Google Play Store and Apple App Store. Yes, you can launch your app to millions of users worldwide, even if you're a complete beginner. Don't just take our word for it. Here's what others are saying. This ebook is a game changer. I built my first fitness app in just 2 weeks. The step-by-step guide made it so easy to understand. Highly recommend. With this ebook, you'll have everything you need to turn your app idea into reality. So are you ready to create your own AI-powered fitness app? Download the ebook today and start building your future. Click the link below to get your copy now. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Remember, at AI Cashflow Lab, we're all about turning AI into cash flow. See you next time.